Welcome to Burlap Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You'll first confirm Yeeps supports hand tracking and enable it in Settings Input. That unlocks the pipeline. Next, set your camera at chest to forehead height, roughly 1-2 meters away, because angle and distance determine detection accuracy. Use steady, diffuse lighting, avoid backlight, so the model sees clear hand contours. Once done, hold your hand's palm-facing camera and perform a simple open-close gesture to wake the tracker. This initial gesture trains background subtraction and stabilizes tracking fast. You now run Yeeps' calibration routine. Center both palms in the guide box and perform slow open-close motions for about 10 to 15 seconds. This establishes key points and scales. Then, adjust sensitivity and smoothing. Choose more smoothing to reduce jitter, or lower it for faster response when precision matters. After that, enable the gesture set you need and map pinches, grips, or swipes to actions in Yeeps. Doing this lets gestures control menus and objects reliably, while reducing false positives during Finish by testing gestures in a simple Yeeps scene. Open a menu, grab an object, swipe pages to confirm mappings and responsiveness. If you see jitter, increase smoothing, improve ambient lighting, or move the camera slightly closer to reduce scale errors. These steps address most instability. Make sure to save your profile once satisfied. If gestures suddenly stop, restart the tracker service in Settings Diagnostics. This clears temporary state without losing calibration and solves most transient failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.